The in, the Indian Constitution of India came into force on A. 15 August 1947, B. 26 November 1949, C. 26 January 1950, and D. 2 October 1950. The answer is C. 1950 January 26. The second question is the who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? First option is Jawaharlal Nehru. Second is B.R. Ambedkar. Third, Rajendra Prasad. D. Vallabhbhai Patel. The answer is B. B.R. Ambedkar. Third question: the preamble of the Indian Constitution declared India as a federal state, socialist state, sovereign democratic republic, and last parliament democracy. The answer is C. Sovereign social democratic republic state. Next question is the word socialist and secular were added to the preamble by which amendment? 24th Amendment, 42 Amendment, 44th Amendment, and 52 Amendment. The answer is 42 Amendment, which is also known as the mini constitution. Fifth question is the how many articles were originally there in the constitution? 395, 448, 470, 365. The answer is the A 395. Next question is the which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental rights? Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, and Part 5. The answer is the B Part 3. Next question. Right to equality is provided under which article? 20 to 35, 14 to 18, 19 to 21, and 25 to 28. The answer is 14 to 80, option B. Then 8 number question is the which fundamental right was removed by the 44th Amendment Act? Right to religion, right to freedom, right to property, right to equality. Answer is C. Right to property. Next question: right to education is a fundamental right, legal right, directive principle, constitutional duty. The answer is A. Fundamental right. Article 21 deals with what? Right to equality, right to freedom, right to life and personal liberty, right against exploitation. Actually, the right Article 21 deals with the option C, right to life and personal liberty. Then, data principle of state policy were borrowed from which country? USA, UK, Ireland, Canada. The answer is C, Ireland. Which part of the Constitution contains the fundamental duties? Part IV-A, Part 3rd, Part IV, Part V. The answer is Part IV-A. How many fundamental duties are there currently? 10th, 11th, 12th, 9. Answer is B. 11 fundamental duties. The President of India is elected by whom? Option is people directly, Member of Parliament, Electoral College, Supreme Court judges. The option is C. Electoral College. The tenure of the President is what? 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. The tenure of the President is 5th year. The real executive authority in India is who? President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Chief Justice. The answer is Prime Minister. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to which? President, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and Supreme Court. The answer is Lok Sabha. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? President, Prime Minister, Vice President, Speaker. Answer is Vice President. Maximum strength of the Lok Sabha is what? 545, 552, 550, 560. Maximum of the strength of Lok Sabha is 550. Option C. Money bill can be introduced only in which Sabha? Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, either house, joint session. Money bill only introduced in Lok Sabha. Then, who decide whether a bill is money bill or not? President, Prime Minister, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Chief Justice. Answer is C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Supreme Court of India was established in which year? 1947, 1949, 1950, 1952. Answer is C. 1950. Next. The Chief Justice of India is appointed by whom? Prime Minister, President, Parliament, Vice President. The answer is B. President. The power of judicial review is borrowed from which country? UK, USA, Ireland, France. Option is B. USA. The High Court judge retired age of which age? 60, 62, 65, and 58. The answer is B. 62. Which schedule deals with the division of power? 7th schedule, 8th schedule, 9th schedule, 10th schedule. Option 1, 7th schedule. The 10th schedule is related to which concept? Language, anti-defension, union list, and emergency. Option is B. Anti-defension. Then, which language has the maximum number of speakers in India? English, Hindi, Bengali, Telugu. Option is B. Hindi. The Election Commission of India is a DAX, judicial body, political body, constitutional body, and non-constitutional body. The option is C. Constitutional body. Emergency under Article 352 is proclaimed to what? Financial instability, failure of constitutional machinery, war, external aggression or armed rebellion, or natural disaster. Option is C. War, external aggression or armed rebellion. President rule is imposed under which article? Article 352, Article 356, Article 360, Article 365. The president rule is imposed by Article 356. Option B. Financial emergency is mentioned in which article? 352, 356, 360, and 361. Option is 360. Panchayati Raj mentioned in which part? Part IX, Part X, Part XI, Part X, double A. The answer is Part IX. A. Then, urban local bodies are covered under which amendment? 72 amendment, 73 Amendment, 74th Amendment, and 75 Amendment. The answer is option C, 74th Amendment. The CAG is appointed by whom? Prime Minister, Parliament, President, Supreme Court. The answer is President. Option C. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha was Dax. G.V. Mavalenkar, Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, Ravi Ray, Balram Jhakar. The option is A. G.V. Mavalenkar. Next question. Which article deals with the amendment of the Constitution? Article 356, Article 368, Article 370, and Article 14. Option is B. 368. The basic structure of doctrine was given in which case? Goloknath case, Kesavananda Bharati case, Minerva Mill case, Maneka Gandhi case. The option is B. Kesavananda Bharati case. The ninth schedule was added by which amendment? First Amendment, Seventh Amendment, 42 Amendment, 44th Amendment. The option is 1. First Amendment. The Union list contained how many subjects? 66, 97, 100, 52 subjects. The Union list contained the 100 subjects. Which body resolved dispute between state? High Court, Supreme Court, Parliament, President. Option is B. Supreme Court. Attorney General of India is appointed under which article? Article 76, Article 124, Article 148, Article 280. Option is Article 76. The first general election in India were held in which year? 1947, 1950, 1951 to 52, and 1955. Answer is C. 1951 to 1952. Which amendment reduced the voting age from 21 to 80? Option 42 Amendment, 44th Amendment, 61 Amendment, 52 Amendment. The option is C. 61 Amendment. The Sarkaria Commission is related to which concept? Election reform, center-state relation, judicial reform, Panchayati Raj. The option is B. Center-state relation. Which article provide for the official language? Article 343, Article 348, Article 351, Article 370. Option is A. Article 343. The term secular means what? No religion, anti-religion, equal respect to all religion, or state religion. Option is C. Equal respect to all religion. Then, who preside over the joint sitting of Parliament? President, Vice President, Speaker of Lok Sabha, or Prime Minister? Option is C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which body recommended distribution of tax revenue? Finance Commission, Planning Commission, Niti Aayog, RBI. The option is 1. Finance Commission. Last question, but not the least. The Constitution of India was adopted on which date? 26 January 1950, 15 August 1947, 26 November 1949, 2 October 1949. Option is 26 November 1949.